Here are 5 things you didn't know about yawning. First, you started yawning before you were even born. Fetuses begin yawning at just 11 weeks in the womb, making it one of our earliest behaviors. Second, yawning is more contagious than laughter itself. 60% of people will yawn when they see someone else do it, even in videos. Third, some people are completely immune to contagious yawning. This usually happens due to differences in brain structure or certain conditions affecting empathy. Fourth, athletes actually yawn on purpose before competitions. It increases oxygen flow and sharpens focus right when they need it most. Fifth, yawning might be an ancient survival mechanism that kept our ancestors alive. Scientists believe it helped early humans coordinate sleep schedules and stay alert to threats. When one person yawned, others followed, keeping the group synchronized and safe. Subscribe for more mind-blowing facts.